Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Indeed account permanently. There are two ways to delete your Indeed account permanently. The first one is opening your Indeed account's setting. So go to your Indeed, click on your email icon at the top right and select account settings. Now next, you'll have to click or tap the close my account button below your email address. So if you'll have an Indeed account, you will see the close account button just right here in this page. So click on the close account button that will be available just right here and you would have successfully deleted your Indeed account. Now, if you don't see a link to close my account available, you may have an employer account. Simply contact Indeed support so they can close this account for you. And in order to do that, click on the help button at the top and it is going to open up another page. Now, here you'll have to click on Employer Help Center. After this, you'll be navigated to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to just fill out this form and your message will be responded within 24 hours. If you do not see the response, check your junk email folder or spam folder and Indeed support will help you to close your account. So that's how you delete Indeed account permanently. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.